Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today will be a quick video on how I install over dreads and create this beautiful look that I'm going to show you right here. Because her dreads are not long, I'm not going to braid them down. I'm just going to spray back her edges with the free spray, mold that down, and go ahead and apply my two caps. Also, instead of doing the free spray by itself, I will be using the black gel because she does have a close low hairline especially on the sides. So I'm just going to use the gel so I can see clearly where her edges stop, and then I'm going to go on with the free spray to just spray on top, rub it out, and just go ahead and blow dry it until it's completely dry. Once that's dry, you can go ahead and cut off the extra cap that's not needed, and then I will go ahead and apply the frontal. I'm going to apply the frontal off camera because it is the same steps that I use in any of my other videos and this, my other installs. So I will just link a video for you if you did not get to see that. Also, I will be using Taylor CROWNS lace tint in the color light brown. I will be spraying 2 layers, blow drying that, and then I will go ahead and install that frontal, like I said, once again, off camera. A close-up of how this looks. If you use the lace tint correctly, it should look just completely melted, blended with the skin and everything. And I inserted a picture here, and this is before I cut the lace off, how you can see how good that looks. After gluing down that frontal, you can go ahead and begin to cut off the extra pieces on the sides and also cutting off that lace. And you want to remember, when cutting off that lace, you do want to go in a zigzag motion and not straight across. Also, once you cut off that extra lace, don't forget to tack down those corners that still may be lifting. And in this video, I will be using GhostBond glue as usual. Once you have finished gluing everything down, you can go ahead and section off the pieces that you will use from the hairline to be your baby hairs. Now you can proceed with tying down that lace for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to come back on video and basically show you how I did the ponytail part. For starters, you want to go ahead and section off a piece of that frontal hair from the rest of the bundles. I did not show the process of me adding the bundles because I have done that a lot of times in my video. But I do want to say that you need to make that part from one side of the ear all the way over so you can cover up the tracks in the back, and the rest you will be using for the ponytail. Before I even start to spray anything or mold anything into place, I just like to put the top of the hair in a ponytail, and then I will begin to basically shape and mold it using the freeze spray, my comb, and the blow dryer. And I'm just going to repeat these same steps over and over and over until I feel that the ponytail is neat enough to continue on. Another thing I wanted to mention in this video, it is pretty much quick because one, I was running out of space on my device, and two, because I can pretty much verbally tell you how to do it because it'll be easier. And once I free up some more space, I will do a whole new tutorial on this look so you guys can get a better understanding of what I mean. But yes, you do want to just section off those pieces of hair. You want to make sure you have everything separated neatly with that part. I'm just going to continue to spray, comb, spray, comb, spray, comb, and just blend everything to make sure that it is neat. Another thing I wanted to mention, that my client did want her ponytail to be a little bit fuller. So later on in this video, you will see me take some of her bundle hair and I'm going to apply some white wrapping paper, and I'm going to just wrap that hair around that wrapping paper very neatly, and you will kind of wrap it as if you were doing a fantasy ponytail. So I will start from the very top of that wrapping paper and then work my way down closer to her roots, and I'm just going to wrap it, and then I'm going to proceed with the same thing that I did in my Kim K ponytail by taking some of that hair and wrapping it around that track to cover it up. Once I do that, I am going to just go ahead and do the baby hairs off camera because, like I said, I've done this process plenty of times before on my other videos. But I want you guys to stay tuned for the finishing look and let me know what you think about this look, if it's a yay or if it's a nay. And once again, thank you for watching I Am Beautiful Hustler channel.